This video is all about creating shopping lists in ListMucho. There are 4 ways to create a shopping list. Let's walk through them together. The first way is from the home screen. Tap the Shopping List button, give your list a name, enter a store name, and then tap Create. Now let's add some items. Tap the search bar and start typing. ListMucho comes preloaded with thousands of items you'd find in a store. If you've used the app before, you'll also see suggestions from your past lists. You may notice that the products I'm adding all have emojis. These are custom list items that I created on a previous list and am reusing them in this new list. You can use the basic text suggestions or create your own list items in any style that works for you. For new items, just type the name and tap the plus button or enter on your keyboard. Tap an item name to open its edit screen. Here you can set the category, aisle, and price, and apply a tax rate using the Apply Tax Rate 1 or Apply Tax Rate 2 checkbox. These correspond to the tax rates you configured in settings. Once you configure an item, it's saved permanently, so the next time you add it to any list, everything is already filled in. To change quantity, just tap the plus and minus buttons next to each item. Tap Save Changes when you're done. The second way to create a list is from the My Lists tab. Tap the Shop tab, and you'll see all your saved lists, each showing the store it was assigned to. Tap any list to reopen it exactly where you left off. If the list has checked items, you'll be asked whether to continue your trip or uncheck everything for a fresh start. The third way is from the History tab. Select a store profile, and you'll see every item you've ever purchased there. Check off the ones you need, then tap it Create to build a new list from your history in seconds. The fourth way is by adding recipe ingredients to a shopping list. Open any saved recipe from the Recipes tab in My Lists, check the ingredients you want, and tap Add to Shopping List. You can add them to an existing list or create a brand new one. Now let's talk about sharing. When you have a list open, tap the Share icon in the search bar. ListMucho generates a unique link that you can send via text, email, or any messaging app. The moment your friend or family member opens the link, the list appears in their app. Every change syncs instantly for everyone, and you'll see a people icon next to the list name while sharing is active. Check off items as you add them to your cart. When you're done, tap End Share. The completed list saves automatically to everyone's My Lists tab, ready to reuse next time. Unfinished shares auto-expire after 7 days, but your list stays in My Lists until you delete it. And that's it for shopping lists. In the next video, we'll cover to-do lists. Perfect for appointments, chores, and errands. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for using ListMucho.